Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the DONTNO 12-inch baby doll with clothes and accessories, a delightful set perfect for little ones who love pretend play. This charming baby doll package includes 8 pieces of adorable clothes and accessories, featuring a set of doll clothes, a baby diaper, a pacifier, and 2 baby bottles, making it an ideal gift for kids aged 3 and up. Designed to foster a nurturing connection, this baby doll set allows children to experience the joy of caring for their bitty baby dolls, creating a special bond that echoes the love from parents. Crafted from non-scented, BPA-free, safety-tested vinyl, this doll is soft and smooth to the touch yet durable enough to withstand years of play, and it's even water-friendly for added fun. Whether it's for Christmas, a birthday, or any special occasion, this baby doll set promises to bring laughter and happiness to your child's playtime. Plus, we stand by our product with a service guarantee, ensuring that any questions or suggestions you have will be addressed promptly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.